Still recording?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Out of the way, Chuck.
Oh.
Danny.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hey.
Dan, what's the matter?
I lost my keys.
So why are you turning the ignition out of this truck?
Because I don't have my keys.
Why don't you just go get one made?
Because I'm too cheap.
Whose idea was this?
Idea was what?
To break the column.
My idea, because I want to get the hell out of here.
Hey, I think you just broke those elos up inside. You did.
Scott, what's your input on this?
I think it's great.
Me too.
I'm gonna give Dan a hand here.
Okay.
Excuse me, Dan. Can you get in there for a minute?
Hold on.
I got an idea. I got a good idea. Oh,
You got it?
Show it to your girlfriend, though.
Hold on. Where's that screwdriver?
Pieces.
we gotta get that. Oh, there's a clip there. Pop that clip.
Hold on.
I got it.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oh, we won't feel this. I don't know, it's still tape on it. I don't know what happened. Pop that clip out of there. Slide your drum on.
Close up.
Nice, real nice.
Sideways. Hey, do it. Upside down.
Is that nothing wrong?
Hey, we'll be right back.
Where are you going?
Look at the strobes.
Jeez.
They don't come up on the screen.
You can see the flash. You can see the flash. How about the strobes up top?
Yeah. There you go.
What are you using as a hammer? Looks like a piston jack.
Don't stop.
Charlie, you're in the light.
Hey, put it through the windshield.
I'm gonna try and break it. Right
You cut the fucking shit.
Watch your mouth.
Cut.
here. My day's going pretty good.
So, Scott, you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a blast.
Charlie, what are you going to say about all this?
Not my turn.
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.